I know that a lot of people are not listing their homes right now because of the house shortage, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so I wanted to offer an option, and this isn't gonna work for everybody, but it will definitely work for a lot of other homeowners that do wanna make a move, but are afraid to put their home under contract because they don't have a place to go and they don't wanna be homeless.
We have a program called Buy Before You Sell that will take away that anxiety. You can literally tap into the equity that you currently have in your current home in the form of a bridge loan, or you could think of it as an advanced home equity loan. Use that equity as the down payment for your new house without having to sell your home. It's a great program, especially in this market, to make you more competitive as well, because guess what? When you make an offer on that new house, you don't have to be contingent on selling your current home because that's where the funds are coming from for the down payment for the new house. So great program that will definitely help you navigate the short inventory, that we have right now.
Now, let's unpack that, because you used a lot of jargon that we use in our industry.
See, that's why I need Janet.
Right? Like, let's dial it down, because there's a lot of people out there that don't understand, one, what a bridge loan is, and two, how is this thing going to work where they don't have to be contingent? And like I said, it's not going to work for everyone. So let's get down to the basics. What are some basic things that they need in order to qualify for this program?
Well, for one, I like when I talk to a client about this program, I do what's called the equity test, right? I say, and I need your help, Jen, as the realtor. I say, when you talk to your realtor, how much did they say your home was worth, or how much would it appraise for? Because that's a very key factor. So the way the Buy Before You Sell program works is that we will lend you up to 70% of what your current home is worth. Okay. Now you'll take that amount and subtract whatever you currently owe, and whatever's left over, that's the amount that you can use as a down payment for the new house.
Okay.
I tell folks that, it's always worth just doing the math and doing that equity test up front, because you just never know. Maybe you did some improvements since you've owned your home, so the value's worth more. So you never know. It's always a good fit or a good opportunity to talk about it. So you never know. That equity test is the first thing that we do to make sure that the numbers work and that it makes sense for you, and that you're getting enough of a down payment for the next house. And the rest is history. I mean, the program speaks for itself. You can literally buy your next house without having to sell your current home. And that's where the bridge loan comes into play. And, for that particular part of it, it's a 12-month term. So I always ask Janet, when you do list your house, in this market, things are selling quickly.
Right.
But we want to make sure that your home sells within 12 months, because that's when the bridge loan is due in full. It's a 12-month term. So, I always want to make sure that, when you do buy your new house and you use that bridge loan as a down payment, let's make sure we can sell your home within a year so you can pay off that bridge loan and, you can move forward with the rest of, your life.
All right. And I think it's good that if you are thinking about selling, reach out to me or reach out to Brandon. We can actually do a meeting with both of us, with you. We can review the value and go right over if you would qualify to do this Buy Before You Sell program, because being contingent in this marketplace as a purchaser is pretty much not going to get you into a home, unfortunately, because you're contingent on selling. So if you need help with that, or if you have further questions, Brandon, what's your number?
518-881-8830.
And so, thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
Thanks
I always love
for
doing
joining
these.
me.
Looking forward to the next one. And again, if you want to make a strong offer without a contingency, don't forget about Buy Before You Sell.